Well, hello there everyone, how's it going? My name's Hayley. If you're new here, thank you for visiting everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you this. It's the Lookfantastic box for March, and I'm hoping that my perfume is in there, because last month it was missing, wasn't it? I know a load of people didn't get it. I contacted them and wanting to know where it was, and they said, are you cancelling your box because your perfume wasn't there? You know, it was that automated thing that you do on there, and I just put yes, even though I wasn't cancelling the box, and they said your perfume will be in there next month, so I'm hoping that it's gonna be here. So let's take a look, shall we, and see what's inside. So we got the vouchers that you always get, so there's 2 or 3 of those. Let's see what's there. There's how it's looking. So let's see. Got a brush. So this is the Brushworks back combing brush. Let's get this out and take a look, shall we? Looks like a pretty pink colour. Oh yeah, that's lovely, isn't it? And I will use that. I think I'm going to be getting it very dirty though, because I think I'm going to use that end for sectioning my hair when I dye it. Because I was dyeing it the other day and I didn't have anything to section it with. I was like, oh, why wasn't I more prepared? And I really needed to section it. So yeah, I'm probably going to use that. Get it all dirty. Oh, never mind. But it is a pretty colour. It might not get it dirty. It might come off, but we'll see. So I'll use that. It says worth over £4. So there's that pretty little brush there. Pretty. And then next, what else have we got? I think I can see my perfume here. Ta-da! So this is called Parisian Embrace. Oh, it does smell nice. Come on, are you going to spray? Oh, that smells beautiful. I love it. That is really nice. I'm glad that was in there. Oh, I would have been upset if that wasn't in there again. So that's really nice size, isn't it? It's 10ml. Oops, something's just flew out at me. This is the Estée shampoo, bergamot and jasmine, and that is 75ml. Oops. Oh wow, that is beautiful. Oh, I really like that. I wish I had the conditioner as well. Maybe they've done that to make you buy the conditioner. That is so nice, and it's a nice size, isn't it? What's that worth? That is worth over £5, it says. So it says richly fragranced with the finest pure essential oils. This shampoo naturally cleanses and leaves hair smooth and shiny, suitable for all hair types. So that smells gorgeous. I'm really pleased that I've got that. I like that one. What have we got next? Shall I take this? So this is Dr. Lip Superfood Sweet Potato Tint, 100% natural. Lips, cheeks and eyelids. So it goes on your cheeks and eyelids as well. Multi-use. And that is 8ml. Let's put a bit on my hand so you can see. Come on. Well, it's quite bright. I was expecting it to be orangey because it said sweet potato. It's quite thick. I would use that on my eyes to adhere things to, like glittery, more glittery eyeshadows. I would. It reminds me of the McGrath Intensify stick, but just like that instead. I do think that Intensify stick is overrated. It's just a bit of wax in the stick. I've got it here. This thing. I wouldn't buy it. I don't think I would buy that again. In fact, that is not as sticky as the Dr. Lip. This is not actually that sticky. So that's 20 something, and this is worth over £6, it said. That is really interesting. That is an interesting product, and I am going to try that on my eyelids. Let's put it on my lips. I've got like a berry colour on today. Let's put it on. Oh, that feels very nourishing. And it's got nice slip to it. I like it. I like that. And it doesn't smell. I can't smell a thing. So there's no fragrance smell in that. I like that. I'm going to try it on my eyes. And then next, what have we got? Let's have a look at this mask. Foreo Bulgarian Rose Mask. And I did look this up. It said that you can either use this on its own and just leave it on for 20 minutes. So you put it on your clean face, leave it on for 20 minutes and take it off. Or you can use it with the app and the whatever machine you've got, Foreo machine, because they do all different ones, don't they? So yeah, hydrating tensile sheet mask. And it tells you all how to use it on the back there. And that is worth over £6, it says. And then next, what have we got? This one. I'm excited about this one. So this is Dragon's Blood Sculpting Gel by Rodial. And this is worth £27. I'll do it here. So there it is coming out. It's like a milky colour. Don't know if you can see it there. So there it is. And it goes far. It's very slippy and watery kind of texture. I love the smell of that. I love it. It reminds me of, I don't know, is it antiseptic or hospitals or smell or something? I don't know what that smell is. I'm absolutely rubbish at describing smells. But I really like it. You smell it in medical stuff. I love it. And it's worth £27. What does it say about it? Hang on. It says Rodial Dragon's Blood Sculpting Gel. Gently smooth over clean face and neck with particular focus on any premature areas of skin aging and allow to absorb slowly. To optimise effects, use twice a day for a minimum of a month. £27. I wonder what the full size is worth. That's a lot, isn't it? So that one, I think I'm going to enjoy using that. It smells like hospital smell. Weird, don't I? And then there's one last thing in there. Emma Hardy. And this says Midas Touch Revitalising Cream. Hydrating, helps decrease the appearance of fine lines, helps to improve firmness and elasticity, helps tighten, smooth and lift. And that is 30ml. I'll do a bit on my hand. Oh, it's got seal on here. I'll just take that off and then I'll do it here. Oh, that's not as thick as I thought it was going to be, because I think I read. Let's see what it says. It says, take a small amount of product and warm between your fingertips and smooth evenly over the face and neck, avoiding eye area. Use morning and evening for smooth, radiant skin. Yeah, I think I thought it was going to be thicker when it come out because it said to warm it between your hands. That feels very luxurious. That feels lovely. It really does feel nice. And it's got like a citrusy smell. I'm not as keen on citrusy smells. I prefer the hospital smell. Weird, don't I? I do like sweeter smells. I think that's what it is. I'm just not that keen on citrus. I like orange. What is this? I don't know. It's nice, but it's not my favourite. But I really do like the texture and I will definitely use it. Because I had the spray as well, the hydrating face spray. I wasn't that keen on that just because of the smell. It's probably a perfectly good product, but I prefer other smells. I like lavender, things like that. But, you know, if someone got me a present that was citrus, I wouldn't like not use it or whatever. I'd still use it. So, yeah, that was all the products. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a like and subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.